You recorded it. It's nice and toasty in here.
The fire's out for a while.
That's the new table. I love it. Wow.
Don't read the front.
No. Because she wanted to have to work for it. Dylan, if there's nothing in there, you're going to throw it.
What kind of shit's that? I'd be upset somebody duct taped my place.
People actually get duct tape yours.
Oh, you guys can sit down.
We're not staying. We're just picking up Miss Courtney because I'm hungry.
Where are you going to eat?
We're going to eat at the house.
You're gonna eat what?
We're eating stuff at the house.
You don't have anything to eat in the house.
Oh no, that's where you're wrong. I got some deer steak. Here's your present. It's not duct tape inside. It's tape inside.
You always duct tape, it's gonna take you 2 days.